Ready to learn how to send money internationally with Taptap Send? Let's get started. First, download the Taptap Send app for free from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app when it's installed. Tap the bold Send Money button on the home screen to initiate a transfer. Add your recipient by tapping the Add Recipient button, or select a previous recipient if they're already in your list. Enter your recipient's information accurately, including their country, the currency they'll receive, and their full name exactly as it appears on their ID. Enter the US dollar amount you wish to send. Now, select how your recipient will receive the money. Options may vary by country, including mobile money, bank deposit, or cash pickup. Choose how you'll pay, usually with a debit card or bank transfer. Enter your payment details. Review all transaction details, recipient information, amount sent, currency, and the payment method, and confirm everything is correct. Once you're certain everything is correct, tap the Confirm Send button. And there you have it, your money is now on its way. Taptap Send provides a safe, quick and cost-effective way to send money internationally. Enjoy convenient and secure money transfers with Taptap Send.